Okay, so for problem 6 of the PARCC practice test, a worker has to drive her car as a part of her job. She receives money from her company to pay for the gas she uses. The table shows a proportional relationship, and a proportional relationship is a linear relationship with a y-intercept of 0. So the table shows a proportional relationship between y, the amount of money that the worker receives, and x, the amount of work-related miles driven. So there is our table with the distance driven and the amount of money received. Part A. Explain how to compute the amount of money the worker receives for any number of work-related miles. Based on your explanation, write an equation that can be used to determine the total amount of money. Why? The worker receives for driving X work-related miles. Enter your explanation and your equation in the space provided. So our equation was the amount of money received is equal to 0.51 the distance driven. So the work we did was 12.75 here divided by 25 here to find the unit rate, which was 0.51. Then to check that, we divided 17.85 here by 35, and we also got 0.51. To check it more, we took 0.51 and multiplied it by 40 from here and got 20.40, or the answer here. And then 0.51 times 50 from here to get an answer of 25.50. Part B. On Monday, the worker drove a total of 134 work-related and personal miles. She received $32.13 for the work-related miles she drove on Monday. What percent of her total miles driven were work-related on Monday? Show or explain your work. Enter your answer and your work or explanation in the space provided. So our answer was 47%, and the work that we did was we took the 32.13 and we divided it by 0.51 from Part A. We then got 63 work-related miles. Then to find what percent of 134 the work-related miles were, we divided 63, or the number of work-related miles she drove, by 134 and got 0.47, or 47%.